Okay, I'm using the hitbox. Let's see, how does it TIG? So, since I'm just using one hand, I'm just going to go through and weave it in, not adding any metal to it. So far it actually looks pretty good. Oh, this one here, the gas shuts off right away. I guess I have to adjust it on there. But turn it. That's what it is right there. Actually does pretty good. Actually does better than the other machine, the CT312. So that's how it TIGs. I'll go get some rods and show you how it welds. Okay, I have an old rod here. It's 6013, 3/32. Let me see what it does. Oh, I need to turn the machine on first. Okay, take two. Okay, that's running at the same amperage. The other one goes up max on the other one. Let me get another rod. I'll switch out to 70/18s, 3/32. Okay. If you were doing this for something, you'd want to clean this edge up. Okay. I'll knock them all off when it cools down a little bit. Now I'll go ahead and put on the 70/18s, 1/8 of an inch. Okay, I just bumped it up because this is 1/8 of an inch. And I'm probably running it a little hotter than I should, but it can actually go up. It's reading 200, where you can go up to. I have it on 170 right now. So let me clean this up and I'll be back. Okay, prime example of where different machines read different. See, it looks like I could have turned the 6013 up a little bit. Also, with the 7018, both of those are 3/32, and the 7018 is okay. I should have just leveled out a little more for the bottom, but the top is okay. And that was running at 120, which the other one run it at 118, and actually did a better job at 119. I mean, a better job than this at 120. But I know this can turn up, so it works better. But I got that side, and this was the side where it did it TIG welding at 120. And this is what this machine looks like. That's the hitbox right there. tig-200. So that's everything hooked up on it. Power button is in front. You have, this is for the TIG here, and then this one is TIG or stick, and the adjustment. No digital readout.